Hey guys, welcome to this week's Beauty Break with Bentley. This is the beauty break part of this week's Beauty Break with Bentley. And I am going to be putting on some DIY lash extensions. The last time I did this I was in California and I did try out this glue. And I think I liked it pretty well, but I only kept them on for a few days because I was in California, so I didn't have my super pillow that keeps me from messing them up, and they totally got messed up when I slept on them, so then I just wanted to take them off. So I did. Anyways, we're going to try these lashes that I got. These are the Salon Perfect, and these are supposed to be really good for hooded eyes. They are the multi-dimensional tapered tips 3D curl lash extension effect for larger dramatic eyes. Anyways, I heard on, I think it was Taylor Wynn, I'm not sure who said it, but that these are supposed to be for, you know, really good for hooded eyes. So, I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, I have stopped using my serum on my lashes. I'm still using it on my brows. As you can see, they're doing amazing. They're actually getting super, super dark, or they have gotten super dark, and they're filling in pretty good. I mean, not completely yet, but they're filling in pretty good. But I am going to do this with no makeup on because I feel like they stay on better if you put them on with nothing underneath them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Since I've already shown you the technique I use for putting on these lashes, I've decided to do it in the speed makeup kind of technique so that this segment will be short, and that's how it's going to go. So if you want to know the technique more in detail, you can watch my other video on putting on DIY extensions. I will link that below. Okay guys, I have started my weight loss journey. I started yesterday. Yesterday I fasted until 6 o'clock. And then I ate some snack cheese, those little squares. I ate 3 of them, I think. And then I ate a salad, that sweet kale salad that you can buy at Walmart, and I think that was it. So today I'm gonna see if I can do my full day fast until tomorrow, but right now I am going on a walk. And I'm not walking very fast right now, but as soon as I get off of here, I am going to walk faster. And I'm going to start off walking for 30 minutes. So I set my timer for 15 minutes and then turn around when I get to the 15-minute mark. So that is today's plan. And I'll let you know tomorrow what I ate today. Hopefully I won't eat anything. And I'll let you know what time I did start eating tomorrow. So I'll check back in then. Hey guys. So today I did a leg workout, but I also decided that I needed to go for a walk. So that's what I'm doing. We're just walking. And then when I get back, I have to film a makeup video. And then I'm going to do the rest of this video, which will be giving you all the details of how I'm going to lose 40 pounds. Hopefully. I am going to lose 40 pounds. I need to lose 40 pounds. So that's what I'm going to do. And I will outline it all because I don't know about you, but when I go on a diet like this where I have a goal, which, you know, I always have a goal, but a specific goal, I adjust as I go because it's like I have a great plan and some things work, some things don't seem to work. So I will keep you up to date in future beauty breaks and let you know when things change. But today, when I get back, I will outline the original plan of how I'm going to lose 40 pounds. So I will check back in after I'm done walking and take a shower. Hey guys. Okay, so before we get started with the whole diet thing, I know my hair looks crazy, but oh well. I wanted to let you know why this video is so short without a lot of content. Let me show you. This is why. This is what I've been doing. Instead of filming or vlogging, I made these. Remember how I said I like to crochet? Well, that's what I did. Nesting baskets. I love them. I think they turned out really well. And I know you're wondering, what the heck was she thinking when she picked those colors? She was thinking, this is the yarn she already had, and she needed to use it up. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna put in them yet, or where I'm gonna put them. Probably right over there on my computer desk. Fill them up with junk sitting around. But I don't know. Anyways, that's what I've been doing. So I haven't been vlogging very much. I hope it's not as dark as it looks like it is in my viewfinder. So maybe I should get more lights. So hold on. Okay, is that better? I hope it's better. I still feel like this is too high. So hold on. All right, I guess that's good. Okay, anyways, moving on, the diet. So we've already discussed this. I need to lose 40 pounds. 40, big 40. That's how much I have gained in the last like 7-8 months. It's ridiculous. Since it started at Thanksgiving, sometime in between Thanksgiving and the New Year, I was on that carnivore diet. And that's when I started feeling the pain in my hips. I have no idea if that had anything to do with the pain in my hips, but I'm blaming it on it. Anyways, because I stopped taking all my supplements, because all the things I saw said, you don't need supplements, you're gonna get everything you need, just eating meat and cheese and mostly meat and eggs. So that's what I was doing. Anyways, that's when I started getting it. I have been off it for a long time, but of course, when I went off the carnivore diet, I actually started eating crazy food. Everything. Gluten, bread, crazy. And then I would go back on fasting and I'd go back on gluten-free, you know, a week or so. and then I'd lose it again. Anyways, I've gained 40 pounds. 40. Actually, I probably only gained 30 pounds, but I want to lose 40 pounds anyways because I was 10 pounds overweight then. So that's my goal, is to lose the 40 pounds. And this is my plan. Every morning I get up, I meditate. I meditate for 15 to 20 minutes. I have longer meditations, but I really don't feel like you need to meditate for more than 15 or 20 minutes. My meditation is mostly on positive focusing and gratitude and appreciation and healing. That's what I'm focusing on in my meditations, which actually you're not supposed to focus on anything, but that's what I'm doing. So I meditate for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I work out, some sort of workout. And right now, with my hips and knees being so bad, I don't run. I have ran for like 10 minutes because I could have gone longer, but I was afraid that I wanted to wait and see. I wanted to start slow and see if it was going to make it worse. And it doesn't seem to, so I probably will start running again, and that's just running on the treadmill. I don't want to run outside because the ground is, not level, especially where I live. It's downhill, uphill, rocks and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm not going to run outside, but I do walk outside. And I'm going to do legs. I did legs today, and I feel like it went okay. We'll see tomorrow. Also, I am taking moringa. I know you guys saw me make those pills. Then I'm going to, so you know my workout plan. It's basically, I want to work out at least 3 times a week somehow. But I have to stretch every day because that's the main thing. I'm still not sure what's wrong with me. It seems like, though, if I stretch it out, I'm a lot better. The hardest part is going upstairs. Downstairs is okay, but coming up the stairs is really hard. And even like when I go on my walk, coming up the hill is real hard too. So up is hard, but it's getting better. So I don't know what it is. I still think it feels like the piriformis syndrome because I can feel the stretch in that muscle. But like when I sleep, oh my gosh, when I get up in the morning, I can hardly stand up. I actually wake up and then I stretch out my legs, my knees, and my hips before I even get up. And my knees do a lot of popping. I don't really know that my hips pop, just my knees. But I feel like my knees were fine until I decided I had the piriformis syndrome, and I started doing the stretches that were for piriformis syndrome that all the YouTube videos said, to just turn and cross your leg like this and then push down on your knee. I did feel it in my hip, but I feel like that's what destroyed my knees. Anyways, it probably didn't. It probably just started in my hips and then it's in my knees. But anyways, that's where we are on that. So, and I really feel like once I lose the weight, that will help too. So, what I'm going to do is intermittent fasting, and I'm going to do that like 5 days a week, and then 2 days a week. So 1 day a week, I'm going to do alternate day. So one day, I'm going to go all day without eating anything till the next day. And then the next day, I'll probably start eating at about noon. And then eat till, I don't know, 5, 6 o'clock. Because right now, I'm doing intermittent fasting. And I'm only eating for like 3 hours a day. So I'll make it till, and it depends on when I start eating. If I start eating at 2, I stop eating at 5. If I start eating at 1:30, I stop eating at 4:30. If I start eating at 6, then I usually only eat for like 2 hours. I don't eat all the way till 9 o'clock if I can make it till 6. So some days my intermittent fasting is shorter. It's depending on, it's still 3 hours of eating, but if I start early, then I didn't go quite as long. But that's my plan. And I'm also going to try very hard not to eat anything that comes in a package. I'm going to try and eat straight food, like from the produce section, the meat section. I will eat cheese though. I have to eat cheese. That's what I use to snack on is cheese when I'm trying to diet. I know you guys think cheese is fattening, but it's not really that bad. Too much cheese is because too much dairy, you know what they do to the cows. It's awful. So I try not to eat too much dairy. Mostly cheese is all I eat. That's dairy. So that's my plan, is just to eat better. No packaged food, or little packaged food. I'm not kidding myself to think that I will not eat any packaged food or any restaurant food. Although we don't eat out very often, but I probably will. So, and if you guys want me to keep you, let me know how much information you want. It's like, do you want me to just come back in on Halloween and tell you if I lost the 40 pounds? Because that's my goal, is kind of to lose it by Halloween. That gives me a good 3 months, 3.5 months. So I think I can do it. If I just get my stuff together and just do it. So anyways, that's my plan. And as far as my crocheting plans, I think I'm going to try and make a teddy bear. I've seen all these really cute teddy bears. They don't say they're for beginners though. And that's my only thing. It's like, I know how to do a single crochet. I know how to do a spike because I learned it here. And this person that put this up, this was a YouTube thing, and she was so good. She's such a good teacher that it was a piece of cake. And I hope she doesn't do toys though. She does purses and baskets, and I don't know what else she does, but there were no toys. I saw one, I think, sweater, but I don't want a sweater. So anyways, that's the end of this video. So let me know what you guys want to hear about the diet and stuff, or if you want to hear about it, because I can, now that I've told you, I did have a lot of requests to know how I was going to do it. So that's why I'm doing this. But if you guys don't care, that's fine too. It's fine. I understand. Just let me know. And if you do, actually, if you don't care, just don't say anything. And then if you do want to know like what I'm eating or when I'm cheating, or, you know, because it'll happen, I guarantee it, but hopefully not very often, because I used to be an oak. I could do anything, but not lately. Not lately at all. So, but I'm determined, so hopefully we'll make it to the end. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.